Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. With 2 weeks before the official start of the new academic year, it's a race against time for contractors repairing schools damaged by Hurricane Beryl. Over 300 schools are in need of repairs. 94 schools labeled as Priority 1 were severely damaged. Education Minister Favour Williams says some of the work will be completed before school begins, while others will continue throughout the term. Regional offices have been monitoring the progress of contractors.
As they go around and survey the work that is being done, I have all confidence that those schools considered Priority 1 schools will be ready for September 2nd. So we did give JPS a list of all the schools that indicated that they didn't yet have power. Many of those have reported that they do have power now. We will be reviewing that list, by Monday to see if we need to put in some emergency power into those schools, whether it be a generator or however we get it there. That is what we will be doing.
TVJ News spoke with the minister at the opening service of the Jamaica Teachers Association conference in St. Elizabeth.